In this video, we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPUSD in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now, at the start of this week, GBPUSD continued to push down with further bearish momentum, making a retest on this key level, which has a retest from a pretty major low which dates back to 1985. If you go to this monthly time frame, then you can see this low from 1985. So GBPUSD continued to push down and retesting that major low from here, and after a retest on that major low, GBPUSD started to face this huge price ejection, which resulted in GBPUSD closing the week with this bullish engulfing candle, moving almost 850 pips over here, almost recovering the bearish engulfing move that is started all the way from here to all the way over here. Now, I do have a bullish bias on GBPUSD for the upcoming week, seeing this huge bullish engulfing candle close over here, but then again it could also go for some retracements before doing that. So let's go to even shorter time frame, like a daily time frame. And on this daily time frame, you can see this downtrend line which GBPUSD has been moving in respect to for a really long time. And also we have this key level, which is a pretty major key level, which if you go to this weekly time frame, then you can see it has this pretty major low over here. Now, if GBPUSD does continue to push up, then it could come retest this key level and also make a retest on this downtrend line as well. Or if it even makes a breakout of this key level, we have these key zones as well where GBPUSD might continue to push up. However, if GBPUSD, instead of going up to retest these key levels and zone, if it go for some retracements, then we have these key zones and levels drawn over here where GBPUSD might go for some retracements or deeper pullback over here before continuing to push up in respect to a newly formed uptrend line over here. Now, you can't see these things well. I mean, like these key levels or zones doesn't make much sense on a daily time frame, but if you go to this 4-hour time frame, you'll start to see these key levels and zone making more sense. As you can see over here on this 4-hour time frame, we have these key levels where GBPUSD is currently facing resistance, and also we have this key level where GBPUSD is currently facing support, creating this structure in between this key level to this key level. So we'll be looking for trace on the breakout of this structure that GBPUSD is currently ranging in. So on the upcoming week, if GBPUSD continues to respect this low as its support and makes a break and close above this key level with further bullish momentum, then we can go to shorter time frames like 30 minutes to 15 minutes time frame and look at some sort of a structure or build up to be formed over here, and then we can look for trades on the long side on the breakout of that structure to add more confirmations on our long trades in hopes of GBPUSD coming to retest this key level or all the way up to make a retest on this key zone, while also moving in respect to a newly formed uptrend line which might look something like this with the third retest over here, or which could also look something like this depending on how GBPUSD reacts to this low on the upcoming week or reacts to this high on the upcoming week. Now, if GBPUSD, instead of making a break and close above this structure with further bullish momentum, if it finds resistance over here and makes a break and close below this previous low it formed with further bearish momentum, then that could be an indication of GBPUSD going for some deeper retracements or pullback to either retest this key zone by riding this clean move, or to make a retest on any of these key zones over here as part of a deeper retracements move, and also an attempt of GBPUSD creating a new uptrend line which might look something like this. A breakout of this key zone, however, with further bearish momentum, if GBPUSD does makes a break and close below this key zone, could result in GBPUSD continuing this bearish engulfing move over here that it started long ago, and this move over here could be GBPUSD's deeper pullback move, and GBPUSD could continue to push down by creating new lower low over here. But from my point of view, GBPUSD does look bullish to me by seeing these higher lows being formed and GBPUSD making breakouts of major key zones over here with further bullish momentum. But hey, you never know anything for sure in trading unless you see how a price reacts to certain zones or stuff. So let's see how GBPUSD reacts to these respective zones and then look for trades on the basis of those reactions. So that's my analysis on GBPUSD in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And I'll give a link to this whole trading video chart in the video description as well. And to know more about my mentorship details, you can contact me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the video description. So I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on GBPUSD.